I don't know if there's going to be any of that on this episode, because I have no idea what Willie Do decided to select as the most important stories of today. But it looking like he's got a couple of tabs going on, a couple of things to chat about. He wants to kick it off here. Apple contractor says her day in the life TikTok video did not affect her status with Apple. Is this one of those day in the life videos, Will, where it's like, look how awesome my life is?
It was a little bit more subdued.
Oh.
It's not outrageous.
Okay.
And it's usually, it started off with her morning, really.
But it wasn't a bad look, though. It was a good look.
It was good, yeah. No problems.
It was a type of life somebody might want.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Oh, we're going to watch it. Day in the life.
Back to the office. So today I woke up at 5 a.m. Honestly, I was very excited.
We're in the bathroom here, Will.
Excited energy. Washed my face, got in the shower.
We're in the shower. We're in the...
It was mainly for her to get ready.
Yeah, okay. Whoa, Will.
Here's me taking
she eats breakfast.
We were in the closet.
Yeah, packing lunch.
Yummy kale salad that I made, along with cardigan.
What you'll see, though, is that you'll see part of Apple's campus, which I feel like they might not be cool about.
Off limits, maybe.
Set up my desk and, of course, put on my flats. That's a hot girl tip of the day. We had a new hire, so we walked her around. Apple set up his cute pastry bar. Here's my obligatory mirror vid of the day. I actually did get some work done, and for lunch, the whole team headed out to a different Apple building, which was super cool. We got some lunch, really beautiful views there. Headed back to the office. I finished up my day working on the rooftop.
Okay.
No problem.
I mean, I know that this is a whole thing, right? It's a trend or whatever.
Uh-huh.
Can you do one of these, by the way?
Oh, no. No one wants to see that.
So, I'm just starting my day here.
I'm in my underwear.
Just me and Otis just making a coffee.
Yeah.
You know, people pay big money for that, you know? That's what people want to see, really.
That's where the big money is?
That's where the big money is, Will. We're missing out on a huge opportunity here. We need to see a day in the life of Willie Do. Anyway, no. This is definitely subdued. It was mostly the morning routine in the apartment. It wasn't...
Really? Yeah.
Like, there was a little piece at the end of the Apple campus, but it wasn't much. But I assume people got nervous about it because maybe there are rules around that. I don't know.
Uh-huh.
An Apple contractor reportedly found her contract unexpectedly not renewed after a day in the life video went viral. However, Boone told The Verge that she was only trying to show other women of color that this kind of career could be an option for them, and thus helping Apple achieve a more representative workforce. The tech girly genre of content can serve a purpose, especially for women, people of color, or other traditionally underrepresented groups in the industry who hope to land a job. Is this a statement? This is a statement from her. My followers or people that would reach out to me or comment were like 80% black women. That was important to me to be able to connect with other black women as well as encourage them. You can work in this industry. Okay. So then it gets 150,000 views. And then because she was on contract, the contract is not renewed, which, by the way, doesn't necessarily mean they had an issue with the post. It could just be that it was meant to be a temporary contract. I don't know. Okay, we have an update.
Yeah.
Also from Boone herself, stated that there was no connection between the video and her contract not being renewed. She said that she worked the entirety of her contract period and remains thankful for career opportunities and growth from working at Apple and how that helped pave the way for the wonderful job I have today. So, who could ever know why Apple chooses to either renew or not renew a contract? But we do have this kind of impression of Apple that they're sort of a private group, private company. Mm-hmm. Private in the sense of like, I don't know, like that's like a fortress over there, the way the thing is set up. You wonder what they would want you sharing and not sharing. You wonder if...
Definitely not the day in the life in Apple headquarters.
I mean, there's some things that are secretive, and famously, the guy got fired when he was seen in public. He was using the phone that wasn't out yet.
Yeah. Because there could be things that's just lying on the table or something that is unexpectedly caught.
You're talking about secrets.
Yeah.
Trade secrets.
Prototypes, concepts on the walls.
Well, this is going to be increasingly an issue just in general as people, user-generated content, everybody's posting everything. And these companies have tens of thousands of employees and stuff's going to happen. However, in this case, we don't have any evidence that that's the reason that the contract wasn't renewed. So it's not much we can say about it. Other than, I guess we could talk about how we feel about the day in the life video or the genre in general. Which I think there's a way you can do it. And there's a way that, like we've talked about other ones that seem so outlandish or they kind of accentuate the non-work elements of work as opposed to the work elements of work. Which makes sense because, like, work itself, what are you really showing? I just think it's a tough one to navigate in how you're going to present that from the employer, and also just like the employer-employee relationship. And is everything getting cleared in advance? Are people like, did those people in the video say they want to be in the video? You wonder about these things. I'm not saying that they didn't say they want to be in the video. They very well might have. But these are all things that I wonder. And in an environment where we're constantly shooting videos, for example, like around here, if you just don't want to be in a video, you just go, nah, no, right? Like, because it's a constant conversation. But in other corporate environments, I think it's less obvious what you can and can't video and where is off limits and so forth and all the rest of it. So it's going to remain sensitive for sure. But Apple's just happy to have people back in the building as well.
Yeah, I think so.
They they've been clamoring for that. They say come back here at least 2 days a week or something.
We have free croissants.
Yeah, maybe they need the marketing. Maybe they need more croissants on TikTok. Throw a few Apple croissants on TikTok, and all of a sudden everybody comes back to the workplace.
Yeah, that might draw more attention to people who wanting to work at Apple, don't you think? Like seeing how things are done.
Yeah, but now they think they're going to get terminated when they put the TikTok out there.
Yeah, it's a double-edged sword.
No, I don't know. Yeah. We don't know enough.